Hi friends, today we study practice at 1.3 part 2nd, question number 4, 5 and 6. So friend, let's start. Question number 4. In this question we have given the triangle ABC, and in this triangle BQ is perpendicular to the side AC and AP is perpendicular to the side BC, and we have given the value of some segments or some side, and we have find the value of AC. We find the value of AC here, and we have proved the similarity of a triangle CPA to the triangle CQB. Please put book in front of you so easy to understand this question solution. So friend, we have proved in this question similarity of a triangle CPA to the triangle CQB, and we find the value of AC here. So friend, in this triangle, when we find the similarity of two triangles, we have no pair of a similar angle or a similar side. But when we see that both triangle, we have only see here the similar angle, not any similar side. So let we prove the similarity firstly of both triangle CPA and triangle CQB, this both triangle. So friend, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, first pair is angle CPA and angle CQB, because please write this reason in the comment box. So friend, angle CPA is similar to angle CQB because the each measure is 90 degree. The measure of each angle, both angle is same 90 degree. So we write here each measure is 90 degree. So first pair is complete. The second pair is angle ACP and angle BCQ. Please write the reason in the comment. So angle ACP similar to angle or congruent to the angle BCQ. The reason behind that is common angle. Angle C is a common angle. So we write here the common angle is reason. Okay. Then another angle or side which is similar is not given here. So we write angle CPA similar to angle CQB. Our first answer is complete here. First question answer is complete here. By the reason behind that is by a test of similarity. So friend, very easy. Then we find the value of AC. You know that when two triangle is similar, the corresponding side of both triangle is the same proportion. So we write corresponding side is the same proportion of both triangle. AC by BC is equal to AP by BQ. Friends, also PC by QC, but we have doesn't need of this both side, so we doesn't write here. So we please put the value of a sides or segment in this. AC we have 5 here, BC is 12, then AP is 7 here, and BQ is 8 here. So cross multiplication, I write here 8 AC is equal to 12 into 7. So friend, AC is equal to 84 by 8, because this is convert to the divide 8. So 8 ones are 8. Then for the another digit we have 0, then point, more 8 5s are 40. So our answer of a side AC is 10.5. So friend, value of a side AC is 10.5. Our second answer is also complete here. So friend, when we write the answer, please write answer in the box. Okay. So friend, we have completed our first question or fourth question of practice set and first question of a part second. Friends, in the question number 5 also we have given the trapezium. The quadrilateral trapezium is given here, and two diagonal also given here, trapezium PQRS. Okay. So friend, in this question number 5 we have given here PQ is parallel to SR. This PQ is parallel to the SR, and the value of AR is 5 times to the AP. 5 times to the AP. The value of AR is 5 times to the AP. Then value of AS is 5 times to the AQ or QA. 5 times to the AQ. So we prove that value of SR is equal to 5 times to the PQ, 5 into PQ. We have proved that. So friend, you know that when two lines are parallel here, three angle is in front of you in the figure is alternate angle, corresponding angle and ulterior angle. So friend, firstly or first step to prove this is write the given. We have write here the given. Then we have write to prove. What is we have proved in this question? So we write here to prove. We have proved here SR is equal to 5 P. Then we have write proof, first step of the proof. Friend, first step of the proof is we have in the figure two parallel line. PQ is parallel to SR and we have given here the two diagonal QS and PR. So firstly PQ is parallel to SR and QS is transversal. So friend, when one transversal and two parallel line, we have write here first pair of alternate angle is PQS and QSR. Angle PQS congruent to angle QSR. The reason write in the comment box. Then we have write here first pair which is similar angles or congruent angles when the two parallel line and QS is transversal. So reason behind that is alternate angle pair or alternate angle theorem. Both are alternate angle. Then friend, PQ is parallel to SR but PR is transversal. If QS is transversal, this pair is occurred here. But when PR is transversal, we have right here second pair angle QPR is similar to angle PRS. So angle QPR congruent to angle PRS. The reason behind that also alternate angle. So our first step is complete here. I write the number 1 to first pair and number 2 to second pair. So our step 1 for prove the SI is equal to 5 PQ is complete. So friend, in the second step we have proved the similarity of both triangle SAR and QAP for finding the value of SR and prove the value of SR, because SR and PQ is included in this both triangle. So firstly, in triangle SAR, sorry, in triangle QAP and triangle SAR, firstly, to prove the similarity, is the both triangle alternate angle. So firstly, angle PQS similar or congruent to angle uh, QSR. So reason behind that is from one alternate angle and from two angle QPR similar or congruent. Okay, both this is a equal, this is congruent, and this is a similar side. So QPR is similar to angle PRS, QPR, PRS. Reason behind that is from second. Then we also write the similarity by both uh, a test, but in this we have also included here the vertically opposite angle pair. So we write here angle QAP similar to angle SAR by opposite angle test or opposite angles. So friends, our similarities show here triangle QAP similar to triangle SAR by AA or AAA test. So friend, when two angle or two triangle is similar here, the corresponding side in the same proportion. So we write here the corresponding side QAP and SAR. So first PQ by SR is equal to AP. Sorry, I write here PQ by SR is equal to AP by AR is equal to QA by SA. So friend, value we put the value of some side PQ by SR is equal to AP by AR, value is 5 AP and is equal to QA, value of AS is 5 QA. So QA cancel, AP get cancel. 1 by 5, 1 by 5 is remain here. So we write here one time only. PQ by SR is equal to 1 by 5. So cross multiplication 5 PQ is equal to the SR, and we have proved our box. So friend, SR is equal to 5 PQ, we have proved here. So friend, lastly we also write here hence proved, hence proved. So our second question of the part second practice set 1.3 also complete here. Then our last question of a practice set 1.3 part second, question number 6. In this question also we have given here the figure of a trapezium, figure of a trapezium like this. So friend, name of this is A, B, C, D, and we are also given here the two diagonal. So friend, and in this we have given the value of AB is 20, value of CD is 15 here. Sorry, value of CD is 6 and value of OB is 15 here. And in this question only we find the value of OD. So friends, in this figure we have find the segment OD value. So friend, we have given the value of some side or a segment. Value of AB is 20, value of OB segment is 15 and value of CD is 6. So we find the value of OD. So in this question we have given the CD parallel to the AB. CD is a parallel to the AB. In the previous question, we also find we have a trapezium and two parallel lines. So when are two parallel lines, they have a transversal also. So BD and AC are transversal. So first step to find the OD is CD trans CD is a parallel to the AB. So answer first step is CD parallel to AB and BD is transversal like a previous question answer. We have find the value of OD here. So CD is parallel to AB and BD is a transversal. So first pair is occurred here of a alternate angle is CDB is congruent to the DBA. So CDB angle is congruent to the angle DBA. So we write here angle CDB is congruent to the angle DBA. So reason behind that is alternate angle pair. Okay, alternate angles. So we write the number 1 to here. Then second pair like this similarly we are write here the similarly CD is parallel to AB and instead of BD AC is a transversal. AC is transversal. So we write here the second pair is DCA is similar or congruent to the CAB angle DCA congruent to angle CAB. The reason behind that also alternate angle. So friend, we have write the number, give a number second to the pair of alternate angle. So friend, the step 1 is complete here. Then in the step 2 we have shown the similarity of a triangle COD and AOB. So our first step is complete here. We have shown the two alternate angle pair for similarity of both triangle. So friend, in triangle COD and triangle AOB, first pair is angle DCA similar or congruent to angle CAB. We have right reason for is from 2. Okay, from 2. Then second pair is angle CDB similar or congruent I write here the congruent. Okay, or similar also. So I write congruent. So angle CDB to the similar to the or congruent to the angle DBA. Reason behind that is from 1. Then we also write here the third pair of similar or congruent angle or not. So friend, I write here angle COD congruent to angle AOB. We have write reason. Please, firstly you write in the comment box. So the reason behind that is opposite angle, vertically opposite angle AOB. Okay. So friend, we have show the similarity of both triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB by AAA test, triple AA test of similarity. So friend, when two triangles are similar here, the corresponding sides of both triangle in the same proportion. So we write here the corresponding side in the same proportion to find the OD. So CD by AB is equal to OD by OB and also is equal to OC by OA. But we have doesn't need of a OC and OA, so we not write these two sides. So we put the value in the equation or in the proportion. CD is 6, AB is 20 is equal to OD we have find and OB is 15 here. So we write 6 into 15 by is equal to OD into 20. Multiply OD is convert to the divide. So 6 into 15 by 20 is equal to OD. Then 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then 5 I write here 5 3s are 15 by 2 is equal to OD. Then 2 in this 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are, this is wrong here, 5 3s are 15, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 is equal to OD. 2 4s are 8 and 0.1, 2 5s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So value of OD here is 10. We have find the value of OD is 10 here. We have cross multiplication when we put the values. Then 6 into 15 by 20. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9 by 2. Then 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5 here. So we have find the value of OD here. Friend, please put book in front of you so we easy to understand the question and solve the question. And friends, please subscribe our channel and like, and please give a response to our video. This is a AOB. This is a AOB. Friends, please understand this practice set or the video carefully